If you want to execute Docker commands with normal user, then we have to add our user into Docker group. For that, execute this command sudo usermod -a-g docker. Now run any Docker command. As you can see that it is showing permission denied. So for that, log out from the current session and start the new session. This error will go away. Now I will log out from my current session and I'll log in again. Now let's run the Docker command. Here I'm running nginx. So as you can see that it is working. That's it from my side, and thanks for watching.